And here's what your end result should look like. You have your 4 mounting bolts going all the way through from the top plate through the prop hub, through the back plate, and then being sandwiched into the bell housing via the threads down here. So this is like one big sandwich, and you won't have any pressure on your bearings when you have this modification done, and you won't use your prop nut that came with the motor anymore. You will use these 4 to tighten it on. There you have it. You'll no longer load your bearings. You'll have positive contact and pressure on your prop. Happy flying!